Education can be boring, but entertainment is always fun. Watch what happened when Miss Brown turned it into one.
If you take care of your bodies, then your bodies will take care of you. If not, well,
technology first is in everything we do.
Hi, I'm Miss Teacher. You normally see me behind the camera. I also edit videos and I upload them to our YouTube channel. I've accepted on some extra tools lately. I've been giving you videos in education, entertainment, edutainment, and environmental science, and a lot more coming soon.
Hello, Sankofa families. Are you ready for today's activities? We are. 3, 2, 1, go.
hey guys, welcome back. We are going to do a little bit of health and wellness. We're going to do some yoga today, and that plays into our health and wellness holistically. It stretches our bodies, it relaxes and calms our spirits and our minds. And you can use yoga. I feel like the best time to use yoga is when you first wake up in the morning, kind of wake your bodies up, stretch your bodies out, wake them up. Or you can also use yoga before you go to bed at night to relax your bodies and help you to sleep better. So today I have Brendan here with me, and he's going to be my model. And I'm going to be showing Brendan how to do some, we call them sun salutations. So we're saluting the sun, and we're doing this outside because it helps us to connect better with the earth and ground ourselves. That's why we're barefoot. We don't have any shoes or socks on. We're on our yoga mat and we're right up under the tree. So this is going to help us to connect better with ourselves and with the earth. So give us just a few minutes to set up and we'll be right back. We're going to be starting with some stretches. So I want you to arms down at your side, up, head up to the sky. Put your head up to the sky and take a long, deep breath in. Exhale, out. Now I want you to take another deep breath. Good. Arms up to the sky with the last deep breath. Arms up. Good. Now I want you to fold your body over. Fold over. Good. Feet, hands to your feet. Good. Drop your head down. Good. Now extend your arms out in front of you so that they're flat on the ground. Walk them forward just a little bit. No, just your arms. Just walk your arms forward. Keep your legs back. Good. Alrighty. Put your head down. And now I want you to walk your legs out and back of you. Keep your arms planted on the ground. Walk your legs out and back of you so that you're in a plank position. Yep, good. There you go. Perfect. Put your head down. I want you to remember your deep breathing with this. Touch your belly to the ground. Good. Keep your shoulders back. Put your head up. Good. Breathe in. You're saluting the sun, so we're always going to be kind of looking upward. Now go down on your elbows. Good. There you go. Head down to the ground. Stretch out your back. Make sure your back is stretching. Go put your head up and back. Stretch up as far as you can. Go back up on your hands. Nope. Keep your body down like that. Good. On your hands. Perfect. Straighten out your elbows a little bit as much as you can. Good. Head up towards the sky. Perfect. Now go ahead back down. Good. We're going to put our head down. Good. Now, with your head down, lift your bottom up in the air. Keep your feet on the ground. Up, yep, perfect. There you go. Up as much as you can. Make like a upside down V with your body. Good, perfect. Now walk your feet in a little bit. Good, good. Up on your hands, not your elbows, on your hands. Good. Walk your feet in just a little bit more. Now you want to try to put your heels down to the floor or down to the ground. Good. Stretch out that back. Feel that stretch in your back and your legs. Good. Now Stand up slowly. Hands up to the sky. Put them together down in front of you. That's you saluting the sun. That's your sun salutation. That's a really nice stretch to do in the morning when you first wake up, or in the evening before you go to bed. I'm going to put some more tips for you guys in after this video, and we'll show you how to kind of get rid of some stress in these stressful times. I'm going to do some we've handed out some information to our Sankofa families, so I'm going to go over a little bit of that information at the end of this video. But if you do a little bit of sun salutations, it's something simple that you can do in the morning to kind of stretch your body out, shake everything out, and get yourself ready to go for the day. It's also something that, again, you can do at night to help calm yourself down. So I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll come back to you guys again with some more moves and poses. All right, have a good one.
Hi, my name is Lena and I'm going to tell you about my plants. So I'm doing like tomatoes but I didn't know what was growing inside. It was a tree growing inside. I didn't know that, but now I know that there's trees inside, and now I can take them out. And tomatoes.
Do you like tomatoes?
Yeah, they're actually pretty good. You can make a lot of stuff out of it, actually. Like the things that you put on your it's called meatloaf. I'm getting off all
Salad, tomato sauce, spaghetti,
ketchup.
ketchup, those kinds of things, right?
Yeah,
Okay. So how long have your plants been growing?
about 2 weeks, I think.
Ooh, that's pretty good. About what size would you say they are?
What's the smallest size?
And they look like they're maybe about 2 inches.
Yeah.
And you have, quite a few of them in there.
Oh wait, remember at Sankofa, we would do the roller thing?
The what?
The roller thing?
Yes.
Like measure it?
Yes. You remember that?
Yeah, I remember everything actually.
Okay, very good. All right. So you're already growing. I'm going to show this to Miss Natisha because her plants are growing too, and maybe we can have a discussion about how far you are with your plants.
Okay.
All right. Thank you very much for showing us your plants. Say good night.
Good night. Hi. So these are my
Who are
plants.
you?
I didn't think I had to do the intro like I did with the
Say hi. I'm Selena. I'm going to tell you about my plants.
Okay.